Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this really big, awesome palette to try out. I mean, it looks awesome. It's the Elizabeth Arden Sparkle and Shine Color Palette, and it has so much going on in here. Face palette, lip palette, eye palette, and it's pink and sparkly, which I love pink sparkly. So this is just like a perfect looking palette to me. Oh, I love that it comes with these little cards that show different looks that you could create and what colors to use in order to do so. And the palette itself, so pretty. So this is a palette that I got in my October 2022 Chic Beauty box, which this was the first product that I pulled out and I was very excited, but then the rest of the products weren't quite as exciting. But here is what the palette looks like. Wow, so many colors in here. I am very excited to create a full look with all of these. But before I do, let's do some swatches. I'm going to start with the face palette first. So let's just do a swatch with these. Ooh, really pretty gold. Very nice, soft, velvety feel to these. Ooh. So it's two blushes and a highlighter. The blush, ooh, some brushes in here too. This blush looks like my perfect shade of blush. I love a rosy tan blush shade. So let's start out right there. Just gonna pick up a blush brush, pick up the more bronzy blush shade, and let's see how it looks on me. It goes on with a good amount of pigment. I am not looking for a crazy amount of pigment with my blush. I think this is the perfect amount of pigment. It's buildable, blendable, and really pretty. Nice matte finish. Gives a nice sun-kissed flush of color to the cheek. Oh, I really like that. Because you can see like the natural redness in my cheek is more like the pink tone here in the blush. So I like to give it more of a sun-kissed look rather than more redness in my cheeks. And this shade is perfect for that. And you can see I like to bring it over my nose too for more of a sun-kissed effect. I'm very happy with this blush. Okay. And now I'm going to apply the highlighter with my finger. That's how I usually apply my highlighters. And hopefully this gold shade will look okay on my skin tone. Yeah, I think it might be slightly too dark for my skin tone. So I'm going to try and blend and diffuse it out. Kind of go over the blush a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's barely even giving any glow. It's more of a shimmery, it's almost like matte too. Like it doesn't give that highlighted shine that I try to get with my highlighters. It gives just like a little bit of, not even sparkle. I don't know, it doesn't really give anything. So that's too bad. At least the blush was good. Highlighter. Maybe I could use it more on the eyes. Like, didn't really do much for my cheek. Like a little something, but not my favorite. I am so excited that there are lip colors in here. I don't see many palettes with lip in them anymore, so there's such a nice range of colors. I'll do a few swatches of these. The red, let's see how pigmented. Wow, that looks full pigment. The purple. I love that they're looking true to how they look in the pan. They are like kind of, yeah, like gel, like creamy gel formulas that I'm not sure how long lasting they'll be, but very pretty colors. Yeah, like full color lipsticks here. These are really nice. Wow. I'm glad that the palette also comes with the little brushes, so I think this must be the lip brush, more of the pointy one. And I think I'm going to start out trying this one, this really pretty lighter pink shade. And my lips right now are chapped. This little brush, it's good, it's precise, but it doesn't hold a lot of product, so I keep dipping back in. This is a really pretty color though. It feels creamy and comfortable on the lips, but where I have the dryness and the chapped areas on my lips, unfortunately the color is clinging there, which I don't like in my lip products. So this would be fine on not chapped lips, like it gives a really pretty color, but on chapped lips, it doesn't look great. And next, let's try out some of the eyeshadows. First, I'm going to do some swatches. I think they all look like they've got a little bit of shimmer sparkle to them. Like maybe this one in the corner is matte, but the rest of them at least look a little shimmery. So let's swatch them. Whoa. Ooh, really pretty pink. Nice metallic purple. Fun green for the holidays. Ooh, some nice highlight shades. The colors seem, ooh, that highlight shade is beautiful. But yeah, the colors seem a little bit, I guess like random, not exactly a cohesive color story, but you can create a lot of different looks from all these different shades. Oh my gosh, they are swatching beautifully. Pigmented, smooth. I'm loving the shimmer. Here are those swatches. And I always like to test out my eyeshadows with and without an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to apply this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion all over one of my eyes. And I know this video is a little bit longer than usual because it's trying out so many different products in one. So I'm going to just do more of like a quick, simple look. I'm going to pick up a fluffier crease brush and let's go in with this pretty brown shade. Gonna just kind of blend this in the crease. Wow, good pigment, blendable. I am liking this. That's a great shade. Bringing it in the crease and transition area. Let's see now on the eye without the primer. I feel like it's looking just as good without the primer. It goes on like pretty metallic, but then blends out. And as I'm blending it out, it does lose a little bit of that metallic sheen, but still a good pigment. I feel like this shade could work all over the lid alone, which is awesome. Let's go for this pretty gold sparkle onto the rest of the lid. This looks very bright and beautifully pigmented. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful and impressive. It's so sparkly yet metallic, opaque pigment. Wow, I am very impressed by this. I think the eyeshadows are my favorite part of this palette. I am so impressed by these formulas. So pretty and very easy to work with. I love this color combination too, of like the copper into the gold. And even the cheeks and the lip color, like everything looks so nice together. This is such a fun palette. It really does give me like holiday, festive vibes, probably because of all the shimmer, sparkle. But I'm glad I ended on the eyeshadows just now because that made me feel like I'm ending on such a high note. Very impressed with these. And I feel like that did not take very long for me to complete my makeup look, give it that fun kind of dolled up effect with some shimmer sparkle, little flush of color on the cheeks, color on the lips. Very easy, and I love the finished look. So if you happen to have this palette, I would love to hear in the comments down below, what are your favorite looks to create with this palette? It really is a very inspiring palette, just really fun to play around with. This would be a great palette for someone that's trying to build their makeup collection or just loves playing with makeup, because there is so much you can do with this one palette. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.